Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting the new chapter, circles. Just look here. The first question is this: what is a circle? So just look at these points. These are the points. These are the points. And this is any fixed point. This is any fixed point. If we join all these points in this way, and the distance of these points, suppose this is point A, this is point B, this is point C, etc., etc. These are the points. And look at these distances. Suppose this fixed point is O. What is this fixed point? O. And just look at these distances. OA, OB, OC, OD and etc., etc. They are equal. In the figure, we are observing that all these distances are equal. Then this collection of all the points, these all the points A, B, C, D, etc., etc. is known as circle. So what is a circle? The collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle. The collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance, this OA, OB, OC, OD, they are fixed distance, equal distance in the plane is called a circle. The fixed point O is called the center of the circle. This O is called the center of the circle, and this fixed distance OA, OB, OC, OD, etc., etc., they are known as the radius of the circle. OA, OB, OC, OD, all these are the radii of the circle. Now, just look at this circle. A circle divides the plane in which it lies into three parts. ये सर्किल जो है जिस प्लेन में ये लाई करता है, जिस प्लेन में रहता है, उसको ये तीन पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है. पहला पार्ट इंटीरियर ऑफ द सर्किल, ये जो सर्किल के अंदर का पार्ट है दिस. दूसरा ये सर्किल की बाउंड्री विच इज कॉल्ड द सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ द सर्किल और सिंपली सर्कल. और थर्ड exterior of the circle, exterior to the circle. The circle divides the plane in which it lies into three parts. The first one is interior of the circle, this one. दूसरा है the boundary of the circle or simply you can say the circle. And the third one exterior of the circle, circle से बाहर, circle से बाहर. The circle यानी this boundary, this circumference and the interior, when we combine together, we got the circular region. So what is this circular region? The boundary and the interior portion of the circle when combined together is known as circular region. Is it there? Now we have some points on the circle. The first one is chord. Just look there. Suppose this is a circle. This is a circle with center O. अब if we take 2 points on its circumference, अगर हम जो है सर्कल की बाउंड्री पे 2 पॉइंट्स लें और उनको ज्वाइन कर दें, तो लाइन सेगमेंट फॉर्म्ड इज कॉल्ड chord. Just look here. Suppose this is the one point and this is the another point. This is point P, this is point Q. If we join them, this is the chord of the circle. What is this? Chord of the circle. Similarly, this RS is also the chord of the circle. If you join 2 points on the circumference of the circle, then the line segment form is called chord. One important condition is there. If the chord passes through the center of the circle, here was the center of the circle. If a chord passes through the center of the circle, then it is called diameter. It is called diameter. Okay. And now observe these chords. This chord PQ, this chord RS, and this chord AB. What we are observing that this AB is the longest one. This AB is the longest one. So we can say, if we join 2 points on the boundary of a circle, then the line segment formed is called the chord of a circle. Then the line segment is called the chord of a circle. Again, if the chord passes through the center of the circle, then it is called the diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle. Again, just look. The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. And this diameter is equal to double of radius. Just look. Suppose this OB is the radius. If it is 5 centimeter and this OA is also radius 5 centimeter, then what will the length of AB? AB will be 10 centimeter. And this AB is double of 5 centimeter. Therefore, the diameter is double of radius. The length of the diameter is double of the length of radius. Now, the next thing is the circumference of the circle. So, just look here. Suppose this is a point A. This is point A, and we start from A point and move like on this way, and again reach to point A. Then this complete length is called the circumference of the circle. You can say that the total length of the boundary of a circle is known as its circumference. Next thing is arc. What is an arc? Now just look here. On these 2 points, suppose this is the first point and this is the second point. Point A and point B. I am joining this saffron color, and from here I am joining this. From the downward side I am joining with this light blue color. So these 2 pieces, this saffron pieces and this light blue pieces, these are called arcs. These are called arcs of the circle. So what we can say, a piece of the circumference A piece of the circumference is called an arc of the circle. The longer piece is called major arc. This one. This one. This is called major arc, and this smaller one is called minor arc. Minor arc. When these 2 points A and B are the points of diameters, then the major arc and the minor arc will be equal. Now just look there. Suppose this is the center O, A, B, and this is O. Now what is happening here? This part and this part now they are equal. When the length of minor arc and major arcs are equal, then it is called a semicircle. Then each of these are called what they are called? Semicircles. Semicircles. Is it there? The smaller piece of the circle is called the minor arc, and the longer piece of the circle is called major arc. When the length of major arc is equal to length of minor arc, then each arc is called semicircle. Semicircle. Now, what is the segment of a circle? Now just look here. This is a circle. Now just look here. This and this. This is a chord AB. This is a chord AB. And just look at the regions. One region is this. Okay. And one region is this. Now you can say the region between a chord and an arc is called the segment of the circle. What is this? Segment of a circle. What is this? The region between a chord and an arc is called segment of the circle. Segment of the circle. This major part is known as major segment, and this minor part is known as minor segment. What is this? This is the smaller one. So this is minor segment, and this one is the greater one. This is called major segment. Is it okay? Minor segment and major Now the next thing is the sector of a circle. The sector of a circle. So just look here. Suppose this is a given circle. This is a given circle with center O. With center O. Is it there? Let this is the arc AB. So this small portion which is in saffron color, this is minor arc, and this which is in the light blue color, that is major arc. Major arc. Now just look, if you join this center to the end points of the arc, then this region is it there, is called the sector of the circle. And also this one, these are the sectors of the circle. So this smaller part is known as minor sector, and this major sector. Major sector. So we can say कि the region between two radii, joining the center to the end points of the arc, is known as a sector of the circle. The smaller one, which belongs to the minor arc, is known as minor sector, and which belongs to major arc is known as major sector. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.